RB Tech. RB Tech is the largest wet wipes manufacturing facility among the healthcare industry. Since 2015, it has become a leading wet wipes provider across the globe. Now, RB Tech is positioning itself in various segments such as cosmetics, health, and hospitality by investing in constant product development and R&D towards the distinct vision. Formed by Ravi Babaria and Amit Babaria, RB Tech is responding to the Make in India initiative. Being a global provider of wet wipes, RB Tech is having South Asia's largest wet wipes manufacturing, machinery, and facilities. A capacity of 5 lakhs wipes per day. A wide range of products such as wet wipes, hand and face moisturizing wipes, cleaning wipes, baby wipes, and unique wet rolls. Fully automated machinery at high speed with no human interference. What makes our products so different? Expertise with maintaining hygienic standards. We're focused on alcohol-free and non-allergic products. Our wipes contain super soft fabric, comes with affordable cost, and it is FDA approved. Our natural wet wipes for personal care. For baby care. Introducing other products. We believe the greatest wealth is your health. Save water for later. Wet wipes use it better.